you could really help me out by giving me that thumbs up below. If you're new here, I upload a new recipe every Saturday, so don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Recipes that call for 1 cup to 1.5 cup of flour is more ideal as it will take a shorter time to bake. And depending on your rice cooker, it will only stay in the cooked state for about 5 minutes and then it's gonna go into the warm state. And this is completely normal because when we are baking, there's not a lot of liquid, so the rice cooker gets too hot and it needs to cool down. But don't worry, during the warm state, your baked good is still being cooked. And what I usually do, the minute I push that cook button, I set a timer for 30 minutes. And after the timer goes off, I come back and push the cook button again. And if you push the cook button but it will not stay on cook, it keeps going back to warm, that just means the rice cooker needs more time to cool, so let it sit for another 10 minutes and then push the cook button again. You will need to repeat this cook cycle process until your baked good is done. Try not to open your rice cooker until after the second or third bake cycle. We want to keep that hot air inside to keep baking your baked goods. And to check whether it's done or not, use a chopstick, toothpick, or knife, insert it into the center, and if it comes out with no wet batter on it, then your baked good is done. I'm introducing a sweetness level scale for all my videos moving forward. The sweetness level is my way of letting you know how sweet my recipes are. That way you can adjust the sugar level to your taste. A 1 sweet tooth scale means a hint of sweetness, like carrots, pumpkins, and sweet potatoes. A 2 sweet tooth scale means it's a medium level of sweetness, such as bananas, apples, and oranges. A 3 sweet tooth scale means it's sugar level sweet, and that's like candies, chocolate bars, honey, and other super sweet treats. Hey, you made it to the end. That must mean you like it, right? And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that notification bell. That way you know when I upload new videos. And it would mean so much to me if you could share my channel, my videos with your friends and families, and ask them to subscribe as well. And I should hope that you will come back and watch more videos. But until next time, happy baking!